Hey everyone, so everything seems to be back to normal, except for my taste. I have about maybe 90% of my taste back, but I still really can't smell anything, so that's weird. That's probably why I don't have 100% of my taste back. So I'm doing a video today. I haven't put on makeup in 2 weeks, and yesterday was the first day, and so everything's back to the daily grind, doctor's appointments and whatnot. So I'm gonna use these two golds on the lid. I'm gonna put the darker gold on the entire lid and the lighter gold on the inner corner. I tried the pumpkin primer and the lip scrub, and the lip scrub was delish. And the primer, I can smell it if I put it up to my nose, and it felt nice on the skin. Now I'm using the outside of the brush just to get into that inner corner there and blend it out. Yeah, so Monday we had so many things. We had, like, I thought we were going to have 3 doctor's appointments, but then I'm going to use these 2 browns in the contour, transition and main color. So my, basically, and I guess I'll explain more later about this, but we had a hard time getting tested when we felt sick, and we kept getting turned away for getting tested. Like, we went to Walgreens and CVS, and we're told that they were booked and so on and so forth. And we went to one of those like freestanding emergency clinics, and they turned us away because they did not take my daughter's. She has United Healthcare Star Plus, which is like a division of Medicaid, but it's still like a real insurance. And no, they wouldn't take that. My son has his new county insurance, and that's the highlight color I'm going to use. And so, that's really minimal who would take that. So, we were told about a clinic down here, and it's like on the other side of the highway. And they had us, he asked us if we would join trials. At first he said it was infusion. And when they heard that I had diabetes and my son was overweight, even though he's lost over 60 pounds, they wouldn't do the infusions, which doesn't make sense because the infusions are supposed to be for people who are high risk, who have not been vaccinated. So he asked if we will do a different trial for antiviral meds. I think these are the same meds they give to people who have AIDS. So, oh my goodness, just my husband had to get tested for his job. We had to make it to that doctor. Then we had our own appointment, because that place doesn't test you. It's just a place to try out this antiviral meds. So we had to, oh my goodness, we went to so many places. We went to get our test. My husband had to do his test through the job. I just wanted to see if we would be COVID free, and then because of my son's insurance, we had to take him to his doctor, and they said absolutely unnecessary. After 10 to 14 days, you are COVID free, but your test could test positive for 3 months. However, my husband couldn't go back to work, and he was getting antsy. So anyway, back to the daily grind. Tuesday, 2 loads of laundry, removed my facial hair. I felt like I looked like a man. Um, I did a facial after that, just made some phone calls, and then, Wednesday I had to bring the car in for its inspection, which I was trying to do pre-COVID, and then from there I had to go to the tax office and pay for the registration. And that's what I've been doing this week, and it's just been feeling good to be active, to breathe deeply, the fresh air. So, yeah. So that was, everything's back to daily grinding. I said I really want to do a video because I missed doing makeup, and I wanted to finish the Saved by the Bell. Lastly, I'm putting the only glitter in the pan. It has red in it. It's weird, but... So, yeah. And tomorrow, I got another long day. My daughter is supposed to get her tooth pulled, and then we have to go back to that. They keep checking your blood to see if any difference from the viral. And then I'm going to check out the Walgreens and the Walmart out in Alvin when I go down there. So, back to the daily grind. Yesterday we also did groceries, so yeah, just back to the daily grind. All right, I'm just gonna wear, black liner mascara. Let me finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So I used Kelly, and this is very powdery. I think that's why it broke easily. But it's the only one that has like a true highlight. And I believe this is Jessie, the nudes. Also, I tried the Fantasy Makers Apple Lip Mask. It's just a lip balm. And well, I tasted a mild apple taste. But yeah, so, and I used the facial spray, which I don't think I did the other 2 times, but yeah, that's that.